Hello! Generative AI or Gen AI is the technology that's changing the world as we know it. Today, I want to take you on a journey through the AI technology stack, where innovation and opportunity collide.
Right. First up, we have the Compute Plus foundation layer. This is where the magic happens, with powerful hardware and software working together to crunch those complex algorithms. From GPUs to TPUs, mastering this layer opens doors to roles like AI engineer or research scientist. Next, we dive into the data layer. It's all about the fuel that powers AI, data. From collecting and cleaning to labeling and augmenting, data scientists and engineers are the heroes here. Skills like data wrangling, machine learning, and data visualization are key to success. Moving on, we reach the deployment layer. This is where AI models come to life, making an impact in the real world. AI architects and DevOps experts shine here, ensuring seamless integration and scalability. Skills like model deployment, containerization, and cloud computing are in high demand. Lastly, we have the observability layer. Think of it as the AI detective monitoring and optimizing models for peak performance. Roles like AI analysts and AI ops specialists excel here, using techniques like model explainability and performance monitoring to unlock hidden insights. Now let's connect the dots. Each layer relies on the other, creating a dynamic ecosystem of roles and opportunities. The AI stack is constantly evolving, with innovations like federated learning, GNs, and natural language processing pushing boundaries. So whether you're a developer, a data enthusiast, or a problem solver, the AI technology stack has a place for you. Embrace the interconnectedness, dive into the layers, and join the exciting world of AI. Remember, the future is now, and it's powered by AI.